Hi, this is Tanja with Hair Toga. I am here to show you a quick video on how I put on my eyelashes. They're really easy. They're a lot easier than you think they are. What I do is use a Q-tip to put the glue on the eyelash itself, the strip itself. I already have my makeup done. I got my hair done. This is one of our headbands from Hair Toga. It's a little soft and cuddly. And I have my eyelashes here. They're called Angel. And see the back of the name right here, called Angel. Looks a little fuzzy, but hopefully it'll zoom in. These are so pretty. They kind of have the winged out look. This is where I gave it the name right there. And here we go. I'm going to take strip off. Very soft, very wispy. So pretty on. So I'm gonna take the eyelash off the cover, off the holder. I'm gonna take the Duo eyelash glue, and I'm just gonna put a little on the tip here, just like so. I don't know if you can see that, or I see that better now. You see it up against the black. And what I will do, I just take a little, just a little bit and just dab it on. I find it easier to use a Q-tip than to do it any other way, because you can just get the right amount on there. Just get the right amount on there. It's not a whole lot, it's just a thin layer. Keep going out of camera, sorry about that. You don't really get any on your lashes. Don't really get. And if you do, it dries, so it dries clear so you don't even see it. I just let it dry just enough for it to get tacky so it can stick to your lid. See that? In the meantime, what I would normally do is just go ahead and apply the rest of my makeup, so by the time that I'm finished applying my makeup, that is ready to go. So I'm going to apply it here. I already have a coat of mascara on my eyelashes right now, so it has something to kind of stick to. And you can kind of see that I kind of go from right as close to the base of the eyelash as I can. And place it right on the base of my eyelid, as close to the base of your own eyelashes as you can. Just kind of pat it on there. And as I said, it's a white glue, but it does dry clear. And bam, look at that. Ooh. Get a close up of that now. And I just kind of squeeze my real eyelashes to a little bit, just kind of, so I can kind of adhere. From this to bam. Now just a moment, I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on so you can see them both together. There, got them both on there. So what do you think? I already put a coat of lipstick on, but here is some Hair Toga Goldschlager lip gloss. Look at that, so pretty. Let's put that up against my arm. You see the gold flakes in it. Also have these available in the squeeze tubes. Let's go ahead and put this on. It's so pretty. You guys need to get you some of this. There you go. So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment below and I'll get them answered to you as fast as possible. This is also one of my headband wigs. Really, that's all it is. You just stick it on, you pull your hair back and put the wig on and you're ready to go. Just pick a headband of your choice. I have some really pretty ones. You guys really need to check them out. So again, these are called Angel by Hair Toga. And you can get you one on our website, or you can just DM me on Instagram and I'll get you taken care of. So you guys have a really good day and a good night.